frequency is constant, so it will unchanged, so we'll cancel this one. So it means it will be written as lambda 1 by lambda 2. That is wavelength of light in medium what? 1 divided by wavelength of light in medium 2. Wavelength of light in medium 1 by wavelength of light in medium 2. Now again we are doing, that is, say it is A mu g. Light is traveling from air to glass, refractive index of glass with respect to air. So this will be written as what? Wavelength of light in air divided by wavelength of light in glass. If it is water, mu glass, refractive index of glass with respect to water, then it will be what? Wavelength of light in water divided by wavelength of light in glass. Now we got three formulae, that is, first one is mu is equal to sin I by what is? Sin R. Second one is in terms of speed of light. Third one is in terms of what is? Wavelengths. V1 by wavelengths. Now we'll find out the refractive index of glass and water. Speed of light in glass, that is equal to how much? 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Speed of light in water, also we know what? 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Speed of light in air or vacuum, it is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now one thing you have to remember, if a optical medium is surrounded by one medium, so then its refractive index will be something. When it is surrounded by the different optical medium, then its refractive index will change. What I am saying, that is, if a glass slab is surrounded by air, the refractive index of glass slab will be something. If the glass slab is surrounded by water, then its refractive index will change. How it will change, we'll see. Okay, first of all, we are finding the refractive index of glass. It means speed of light in air by, this is, here I am not writing anything, it means it is air or vacuum. This is known as absolute refractive index of glass. The speed of light in glass. So this is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. by 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This will be equal to how much? 1.5. This one cancel. 3 by 2 is 1.5. It means absolute refractive index of glass is how much? 1.5. Next, water. Speed of light in air by speed of light in water. That is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. These are velocity by velocity. Okay, ratio of same terms, same physical quantity. So that no unit. Here also this one cancel. So this one will come 4 by 3. You take this, remove this point 300 by 225. So 4 by 3. That is equal to 1.33. It means what? The water is optically rarer than